Hi friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is 27 July and today I am talking about the main method in Java. So the main is the starting point of Java program, JVM start to execution of Java program. Without the main method, JVM will not execute the program. The syntax of main method is public static void main bracket of string arguments array bracket completed. Public is a access specifier, void is a return type, static is a keyword, main is a main method name, arguments is the array of string type. So first one is a public. It is an access specifier. We should use a public keyword before the main method, and so JVM can identify the execution point of the program. If you use private, protected and default before the main method, it will not be visible to JVM. Static, you can make a method static by using static keyword. We should call the main method without creating an object. Static methods are the method which invokes without creating the objects, so we do not need any object to call the main method. In Java, in main method, void. In Java, every method has the return type. Void keyword acknowledges the compiler that the main method does not return any value. Next one is a main. It is a default signature which is predefined in the JVM. It's called by JVM to execute the program line by line. In the execution, after completion of this method, we can also overload the main method string arguments. The main method also accepts some data from user. It accepts a group of strings which is called a string array. It is used to hold the command line arguments in the form of string values. Main in bracket of string arguments array bracket completed. Here arguments array is the array name and it is of a string type. It means that it can store a group of string. Remember, this array can also store a group of numbers, but in the form of string only. Values passed to the main method is called arguments. These arguments are stored into arguments array. So the name arguments array is generally used for it. What happens if the main method is written without string arguments? The program will compile but not run, because JVM will not recognize the main method. Remember, JVM always looks for the main method with a starting type array as a parameter. Execution process: first JVM execute the static block and then execute static methods, and then it creates other object needed by the program. Finally, it executes the instance method. JVM executes a static block on the highest priority basis. It means JVM first goes to static block even before it looks for the main method in the program. For example, class demo curly static curly system.out.println in bracket of double inverted static block curly public static void main string bracket string arguments array bracket completed curly system.out.println in bracket of double inverted static method curly, then close curly. Output is a static block and static method. We observe the observe that JVM execute a static block if it is present in the program. After that it searches for the main method. If the main method is not found, it give an error. Thank you.